What's good, YouTube? Today is Friday, January 12th, 2024. I had two trades today, both in the same stock, the same setup. We traded Meta. Um, it was a Friday, so the contracts moved fast. I traded same day expiration contracts. Let's just hop right into it, make it a short and sweet video for a Friday. Thank y'all for watching and enjoy. What's good, everybody? Um, I have a S&P 500 up here, NASDAQ up here. NASDAQ currently in 3 hour supply. ES currently in 2 hour supply. Honestly, might hold this area and push up higher to the all-time high. So I'm interested to see what happens. It is a Friday, so I gotta be careful. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a meta long here, actually. This looks really good. Meta 375 calls are at $100 a piece. I think I'm gonna go ahead and risk that. I'm gonna enter one contract here on Meta. I bought in at $113 per contract. ES is coming off that supply zone, so I'm interested to see what Meta is going to do here. See if ES can hold this 90-minute supply. Looks like it's trying to. Meta's pushing up already. I'm up 7% on the contracts. I'm trying to just target that weekly supply slash high a day area. I entered in here at 373.60. My stop would be 372.40, so that's $1.20. So I need at least $2.40, which would be 375. Yeah, right around this weekly supply, a little below it, would be my 2-to-1 risk to reward. I am up 10% on these contracts, but anything could happen here. It could fail at the high a day. Yeah, which it looks like it's doing. Contracts are back to break even, down 3%. I'm down 8% on these contracts. I might look to add another if we get down here to this 372.90, since I'm only down $12. I want to see what the 5 minute looks like. Just consolidating up here, going up to the 374 area, up about 10% on these contracts. Stop loss below 372.50. There it goes. We're pushing up high day. There it goes. Broke high day. Let's see if we can sustain value above 374.50. We need to see this bid keep coming up. Up 40% on these contracts. There's 375 incoming. Oh, don't want to see it under 50. 374.50. Meta, I'm going to draw a line at the recent high a day. Don't want to see it under this level. Need to keep seeing volume come in here. Honestly, we can get to that weekly supply zone, and honestly, it could even get to that daily supply zone 5 points higher at $380. If volume starts coming in here, here's a new high 375.20s, 375.30s, and 40s. 50s keep breaking the highs. I love trading Meta up 65%. Oh, 50%. These things are moving crazy. I think I might go ahead and take my move. If we can get up to the 50s one more time. Don't want to see it break under this. If it breaks under this, I'm going to go ahead and get out. See if we can hold this 374.50 zone. Bid is coming down into the 50s now. Trying to hold the 60s. Trying to hold 80s. Let's get this push up. We're hesitating here with ES coming down, NASDAQ coming down. I'm going to exit here. I don't like that. Not a decent trade. I mean, I could have held. I just I didn't like this price action coming down. There goes Meta. Almost 100% gainer if I would have held through this. I held on. I sold on this pullback because of this dip that we're getting in the supply zone up here in NASDAQ. And on ES kind of came off supply already. ES would have been a good short. It would have been a good short with the stop at the high of the day up here. Risk would have been a point and a half. It's already 5 points in profit. NASDAQ coming off that 3 hour zone. NASDAQ is coming off of that supply zone. ES tanking. 5 points in this 1 minute candle. Look at this. Wow. Let's see what Meta's doing. Meta should be tanking too. Is it holding? Meta's low key holding up here. I'm gonna see a meta test of this 372.80. Oh my gosh. Wow, that looks scary. Meta, I might enter Meta again. I want to see what this price action does though. Meta's holding VWAP right now. Trying to hold it. I want to see Meta break this low down here in this zone and sweep liquidity for a push higher. We'll see if we can get that move here. If we're going to trade Meta, we're going to trade the 372.50 puts, currently trading, or 372.50 calls, trading at about $230 right now. If we can get this push lower and trade about $200 per contract, I'd be interested. If we're in the zone, I'll take it long, stop underneath the zone. I just want to see it sweep these lows and see what happens here at 372, 373, 372 area. It's 373 coming into 373. Want to see the bids hold it. I'm liking that hold there. Price action's sort of slowing down. I got in right there at 165 per contract. Stop is under this low here. If the market starts moving down on this candle, Meta's probably going to break down and I'll lose. I'm down 1, 2%, 3%, 4%. Getting ready to sell if I need to. I don't just want to get a wick down and then exit. I want to see what price action does underneath. I also don't want to hold it. Meta moving. Contracts are break even basically. I want to see 373 on the bid. I want to see price push up there. Oh, a VWAP retest here. There goes VWAP. Can we get above VWAP at what price is that? 373.25. We need to see the bids trade up there. The ask trade above it into the 30s, into the 40s. We're gonna see on this push down what happens. If the market's able to sustain this, or if we're gonna start dropping off here. I'm ready to sell. Down 4%. Don't want to see 372.40s trade. We need to keep getting these pushes higher. NASDAQ starting to push. ES pushing. Meta's stagnant right there. Yeah, we're just. I think we're gonna break under this zone with this 3 minute consolidation here. We could get a push higher, but ES is testing this 4 hour zone again, which shouldn't be a zone since we broke over it yesterday and today. Meta getting that push, but it's a slow moving push here. Meta up about 10%, $15. Nothing huge. There we go. There's the push over the 30s. We need to see the 30s hold on the bid here. No, 25s. We need to see 25s hold. There's 40s. There we go. There's a nice little push. Don't want to see this come down here. Up 23% on these contracts. I might just take it. Or I can possibly try and hold to the weekly supply up here, but the market's just scaring me with these sellers that have been factored in. There we go. 374 trading now. Up 40% on these contracts. I could honestly go ahead and take this. I want to see 374 trade. There's 373.80, 373.70. Come on now. NASDAQ pushing higher. Ooh, there's 374.20s. We see 374 hold on that bid. Down here, nice. Up 54%. 50%. Might go ahead and take this 50% move here. I'm selling. A nice little, what is that, 6-minute trade? Guys, that's going to be it for me today. I hope you all enjoyed this live trading. As you see down here, Meta starting to tank. Overall market starting to come down some more. I'm going to just quit it there at 10:45 a.m. I made my little profits. I took 2 trades basically on the same setup on Meta. It's a Friday. I want to end early. If y'all like this video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more of this content, hit the subscribe button. Comment any questions, concerns, or anything else about the stock market down below in the comments. Peace out, YouTube. I'll see y'all in the next one.